Hi my friends, today we model this part. It is pretty simple. By using Autodesk Inventor Professional 2025, I use the whole screen, not like in the past. You see everything here, even if I select this to apply options and so on. You can tell me if you like this combination, because I suppose everything is smaller, all the texts, but let's see. The drawing for this object with the name adjustment lever is this one. Now comment and start. Yes, let's go. Standard millimeters IPT, sketch, XY, circle with a radius of 27 and lines. I start from here, keep press the left button and go up. Then somewhere here to the right, a slope line, again down, and I go to the circle. Yes, trim the circle and start with the dimensions. You see here all the necessary dimension. .5 millimeters is this distance, 2.5. Then you see with the Inventor 2025 we see another width of the lines. Yes, there are some other news with this new version. I'll tell you during the work. 21 is this distance, 21, 7 here, the angle is 30 degrees, 36, no, 13 is this, and 36 is this. This radius is 10. One dimension needed. What is that dimension? Yes, I know, 16 for this point. Good. Now I create the other elements, because you see here two slots, curved slots. The dimensions for them are here, and this is reverted, but we are clever, yes. radius 2, 20 is the mid arc, radius 3, this is 3, this is 2, 5 millimeters, 4 millimeters, this is 4, this is 5, and we'll create this cut. Let's create the curved slots. I select them from here, center to center. Start from here, radius is 20. Then I go here and so. Once again, center, arc is also 20. This is the arc, this is the slot. Dimensions now. This is 4. This is 2 millimeters radius. Here 3. Oh, something happens with this because the radius is the same. I don't want to be identical. I apply F8 and I see equal here. You see, this circle is equal with this circle. I click on the mark, constraint mark, I delete it, and now I hide all constraints, double click here, 3. Other dimensions, this is placed at 4 millimeters from the axis, not for 5 millimeters, and we see that 2 dimensions are needed. That dimensions are this 12 to the left and to the right from this axis at an angle of 76. We create the axis, we place dimensions. Line from the center to the circle somewhere. This is a construction line. 76, I said, is this angle. 76. Then 12 from the line to the point. 12. Again from the point to the line, 12. Okay, now we have fully constrained sketch. What else? What else is this cut, which is dimensioned right here. You see radius 24, radius 7, and 16 is the distance between this, considering the same axis, this one. Good, let's create this. I create an arc with this center here. Then I draw a line, but I keep pressed the left button at the end of that arc, and I go to the circle. I draw another arc. same to the left. You keep press the left button and you go there. This arc has a continuity. I cannot disturb that continuity. I use split to create two cuts, and I make this segment as construction. Right click, construction. The two arcs are equal, of course. This arc is 24, radius 24, and one of these arcs is 7. Once again, this is placed, as you can see, but the distance is 16. I make symmetrical this by using coincident, not that construction, but coincident between the midpoint of this arc and this line. And now I place 16 between this end and this end of the major arc. This is 16, my friends. Fully constrained sketch. That's all. We have here all the dimensions. Finished sketch, and we see here that 8 is the thickness of this mid contour. So this is the contour and the distance is 8. Extrude this whole area at 8. Okay, this is the first volume. We go further with this shape, this one, with dimensions 35 along that 76 axis, radius 8 and radius 12 here, with a thickness of 12 minus 8. I don't know how much is 12 minus 8. I'll use an expression, of course. You know this. This is the face. I activate the other sketch, visibility, and we know that this is that axis, yes? I project that axis. If I find it, this is the axis. Normally I must apply F7 to see the button. Good. Now I hide this sketch and I have the axis. I don't place again the angle of 76. This is the skepsis we say in Romanian skepsis. This is a skepsis. Good. I draw a circle with a radius of 12 and a line along this line. You see 76 there, yes? And the length of 35. I write this now. I cannot move this point because it is placed on the projected axis. You understand this? Another circle we draw here with a radius of 8. Then two arcs from here to somewhere here, from here to here. They are equal. Their radius is equal. Oh, this was not placed in position. Now it is. Tangent. Tangent is each arc at each end. The radius of this arc is 38. 38. Fully constrained sketch, but I can cut these two arcs not using split, because I don't disturb the continuity of this arc, of this circle. So I apply trim and nothing is changed. Not any dimension is loosed. Fully constrained. This line can be construction line, but it is not significant for our work. I select both areas and I place that dimension 12 minus 8 because I don't know how much is this. Good. The other arm of the lever, this is a lever with adjustments by using these slots. The other arm is this one with dimensions here. You see radius 12.5. This distance is not dimension. Oh, it is. You see 34. It was not room here for that dimension, so I placed it here. The drawing is difficult, my friends. This is my work, my main work. Creation of all these drawings. Now there are 278 drawings like this one in all the over 400 tutorials. 278 with this together. Good. I hope you appreciate this work. So, radius 12.5 on an axis at 52 degrees and a distance of 34. There is a dimension of 8 for this short line, radius 5, radius 5, radius 5, between the other. Okay, we create that on this face, yes, but I turn everything and I apply F7 to see only this contour. Good. A line of 34 tab 52, not 52, not this direction, so I eliminate this, I rotate the line and I place my dimension of 52. You must see that this maneuver created this axis, this projection of x-axis. This is important and useful. Yes. This is a construction line. We place a circle with a radius of 12.5 at the end of the axis. We draw a line parallel. You see, now I go to the axis. Inventor knows what I want, and you see the parallel marks. Good. The dimension is 8 between these two parallel lines, 8, and we move to the other side by drawing an arc from this point to this point with a radius of 5. Tangent with the line, tangent with the circle. Okay, now since we have fully constrained sketch, we trim all these arcs, but maintaining the continuity of this arc. Finish sketch, extrude, extrude at 3 millimeters, this face to this direction. Okay, we apply also fillet of 5 to this edge and this edge. Okay, you see them here, radius 5, radius 5. Now the holes, 1, 2, 3 major holes, and this one metric 6. Where are they placed? These three have their centers, okay, and this metric 6 is on this arc with radius 20. You see, and placed on this axis. Let's start with this 3. I forgot to mention dimensions. This is 20, this is 14, this is 10, and metric 6. Good. Hole, this face, this center, through all, 14, plus this face, this center, and 20, plus this face, this center, and 10. Now let's find the position of that metric 6. We select the face for the sketch, then we open or make visible this sketch. We project this axis and this arc. Then we hide the sketch. Why? Because we have these two important entities. Then we place a point on the axis anywhere but not in the midpoint, and also on this arc. Yes. Finish sketch, hole, and data are here. Isometric profile 6, metric 6, full depth through all for this thread. Okay, now you see there is a mention here, all chamfers are 0.5 at 45 degrees. Where are that chamfers? Here, 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 and also on the other side. You see, 0.5. This is very nice. 0.5 to all the holes, not the slots. Okay, let's see what about the volume. This is a part with this dimension. Close, drawing, double click, and paste. There is a small difference, not important. You all have seen what I did here, so I don't change anything. Maybe my model was wrong and this is good. Yes, you see how nice looks this. Yes, let me show you how to create this nice presentation instead of this. Firstly, this part is made of say steel, stainless steel. Yes, good. then we work at the aspect. We make all the part as gunmetal antique polished. Then we select some faces, as you have seen at that model. By selecting these faces, you can select more than this, and we apply the aspect of titanium polished. There is a good and nice contrast between them, in my opinion. We make this as shaded, not shaded with edges. And now the light, you see, it is different. To modify the light, I place this to the right and I work with this default IBL. I select two lights, and now is worse than before, but I have settings, many settings. Always we have settings, even in your iPhone or phone. I selected two lights. These are that two lights selected by me. I don't like the color gray. Okay, then I move these cursors to the left to up, because you see the light is reflected very interesting, and my values for this are 74 for this. You see, this is light 2, and 19. I've written these dimensions to show you the same presentation to both. And this is minus 43, I cannot make. I don't know why they made this solution, since it is possible to place numbers like here. Okay, save and close. And now I go it in the middle and take a look. Oh, I see something. I see that is missing this fillet, and you don't say anything. You see, this is radius 2. That is the problem. 2 is by default with the volume. Once again, I apply eye properties, physical, update, copy, close, dimension, double click, and the new value, which is the former one. Take a look in this tutorial to the previous volume and you'll see that this is the good end. This is the volume with that radius tool. When I said that it is not important, I said, did I place this fillet tool? No. Then the value was different. I have to mention that if you want to keep that shaded, not shaded with edges, when you close this and open again, you have to use the tools to select document settings, to go to shaded with edges and apply shaded. Now if I close this work and I go back, we'll see again without edges. Now comes an interesting topic. What I present here is based on the existence of the components that appear in the assembly. Regarding this modeling, you have two options. One, to contemplate what I do and apply my actions by creating your own components of this assembly. And two, try to create the assembly using the actual components you see in the tutorial. If you want to create this assembly independently, you must own the component. That is, they must be yours. As separate creations that I made for the purpose of showing practical aspects in the tutorial, you can download the components only from assets. Access to assets is done by subscribing minimum to the level Journeyman membership. You see here the levels of membership: Core, Journeyman, Patron, Professional. Excepting Core, the other ones include the previous ones. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.